Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today on my media channel. And today we've got a double whammy. We've got two unboxings. And it's going to be for the Steelbook edition of Mobile Suit Gundam, The Witch from Mercury. This is probably the biggest Gundam title to hit the States in a very long time, where it's, watched by a lot of people. They love it. It's critically acclaimed. I really like the series. I think it's a nice, unique take on the Gundam universe. And it's nice to be getting a physical media release from Crunchyroll. Now, Crunchyroll is the biggest anime company in America. No holds barred. They are the big ones. But we don't see that many physical media releases for them. They are, for the most part, more interested in keeping the anime on the Crunchyroll app, not doing physical media. But every once in a while, a show is big enough that they decide to create a limited edition release of it. And this is one of those shows. And the good thing is when they do commit to that, it's very nice. Like, look at this cover. This is a really cool dynamic cover. You look there, it says Season 1, because this is the first season. And they reuse image on the back. There's even a couple of special features. It's textless opening and ending songs and some promo videos. But, oh well, you see some of the screenshots of some of the characters in the show. And let's open this. Now, I bet you in several years I'm going to regret opening this, because almost every Steelbook release that Crunchyroll releases is made in limited quantities, and they end up being worth a lot of money down the road. So this is kind of a time capsule, if you will, of what the release looked like. So let's look at the back. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. I really like how they have the main character there. I like how it shines. And then we look inside. Love the design of the discs. Let's see what the full image in the back is. And yeah, that's nice. That's beautiful. I love that. I love how it shows the dynamics of the characters in a great epic shot. I do love this set. So that is Season 1 of The Witch of Mercury, aka a Mobile Suit Gundam. However, I told you we had a double whammy today. Hopefully that stays up there. And that's because there is a second season that was released on the same day. This one has the dual tagonist of the show as well as the protagonist. And again, love the dynamic shot and everything. Go to the back and it's the same thing. They show more screenshots. This is Season 2. It's in a red color this time instead of orange. So that means the discs will probably look just a tad different. Let me see here. Here's a good place to pull this open and start getting everything out. If this was a few years ago, Right Stuff would probably have been distributing this under the Naomi or Nozomi Entertainment thing. So, okay, and in the back we have the dual antagonist. So you can also see, like, that's pretty cool. I like that. I think that's a really nice way to design everything. Now let's take a look inside and let's see. Okay, so as we probably predicted, red discs on this one. Whole season is on 2 discs, and that's pretty good. Now let's see here. I think this one's meant, everything's kind of disoriented on this one, so I guess you can hold it however you want to hold it. But yep, I like that image too. I really do. I think that's a really cool image. And now let's put these back. And we have 2 seasons of The Witch of Mercury. I don't think there's going to be a 3rd season of this show, but if there is, hopefully Crunchyroll will make a 3rd season of it. I'm just really in awe of like how nice these sets are. They pick the perfect artwork, the perfect colors, and everything. And I do believe these will be limited edition Steelbooks. I don't think there's going to be many out there. I'm not saying this is the only release of the show. They might release the show at some point in a regular Blu-ray casing, maybe a box set with both seasons. I don't know. So that is always possible. But here's the thing. Crunchyroll does not always commit to physical media for all their shows. They just get too many of them. I think it would become a financial burden. But this was a big enough show that they were able to put it on Blu-ray. It has dubs and everything. So that's all really cool, and I really enjoy this Gundam. If you've never seen a Gundam show before, this is a really good one to start with. I think it's a little bit more mainstream friendly. I guess if this were music, you'd say it's a poppier sound than what Gundam is most usually known for, but that's fine. I mean, there's so many different incarnations in Gundam that once in a while it's fun to do something different. So, have you seen this show? Do you have these sets? What do you think of them? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care.